Now the next thing what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to actually create our sidebar. The sidebar is actually the basic modular framework, which is actually allowing us to place on the menus or the widgets or anything like that. So we have actually our index.html file plus the sidebar.php file, which is actually the main sidebar.php file of our Blick Tumblr theme. Now the next thing what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to actually search out a few things, like we're gonna have to actually put on all of our aside area, like for example this aside area, and put it in here in this file. So then we will be actually replacing our sidebar with their sidebar. But there are a few things which we really don't want to change on. First of all, this actually PHP line of code. This PHP line of code actually ensure that there are some widgets or dynamic sidebars. So then do the following kind of actions. If a user want to activate a widget inside our theme, then this function would really actually help that out, and rest of the thing we really don't need them. So I'm just going to actually cut all of the code from this area. I'm just gonna finish it up, and inside this area what I really need to do is I'm just gonna get into the I'm just gonna place on in here. I'm just gonna actually place on this code, just copy it and place it in here, and after that I'm just gonna actually aside it, and that's it. And that's it. Now we have actually successfully coded our aside section along with the sidebar widgets. So we have put it inside in the bottom. So first of all, our sidebar would be displayed, and if the user activated any of the widget inside the theme, then they would be actually displayed right at the bottom of this review widget or review sidebar. So now we're going to have to actually check out whether it works or not. As you can see that now it's looking pretty good. Our links are on the spot in here. Now it is good, working very well, and as well as these links are on here. Our sidebar aside area is also now the same as we have created it, and as well as this header area, the same logo image and the same actually border in here. And the next of the stuff is actually the widgets. The text is actually a widget, and recent post is actually, these are the widgets which I have created via the interface of WordPress. And remember that we have actually allowed these widgets in the sidebar.php file. So we have created these widgets already, and these are actually the post which I have created via WordPress interface. These are the headings of the post as well as these one, and these are actually who created the post and a blah blah blah. We're going to change them in a later on videos. This is actually the heading of that site, and we're going to remove this tagline in from there. We can actually remove it currently if you just get into the dashboard area, and in here you would actually find out the way to customize your site. You're just going to click on it and get in here and remove this area and save and publish it. So that's the way. So you have just removed the tagline from here.